On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. Hello guys, first thing open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. After you click on it, it will take you directly into this page. Now you have to click here on the data usage and make sure that all the options are enabled. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure also that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on the storage, click on this clear data and clear cache. Go back into the settings and make sure that to go into the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and then enable it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.